Healy, Harry Caesar, Jackson Davis, Alex Bruhanski, Paul Jarrett, Joan Severance, Christopher Judge, John Pyper-Ferguson, Kevin McNulty, Blu Mankuma, Jeff Corey, Bill Duke, Clyde Kusatsu, Goldie Hawn, Stephen Tobolowsky, David Carradine, Mel Gibson.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.